In this lecture, we'll study about binding variables. Okay. So, first of all, what is a bound variables? When a quantifier is used on the variable x, we say that this occurrence of the variable is bound. Okay. And what is the free variables? Okay. If there is no quantifiers attached to the variable, then it is said to be free. So, in a simple word, we can say if a quantifier is attached to a variable, then it is said to be bound. If no quantifier is attached to the variable, then it is said to be free. Okay. So here in the binding variables, we can have two kind of variables, which are bound variables and free variables. Okay. So let us take an example here. Here we have for all x px and qy. Okay. So see here x is a bound variable because this x is associated with this universal quantifier. Okay. So this universal quantifier is used on the variable x, hence x is a bound variable. But here y is a free variable because this y variable is not attached with any quantifier. It may be universal quantifier or existential quantifier. Hence, this example, x is a bound variable and y is a free variable. Okay. Come to another example. Here we have for all x, we have a predicate having two variables x and y. So here we can have x, it's a bound variable. Okay. But y is said to be free variable. Okay. Come to another example. Here we have there exists x, px, qx. So it is slightly confusing, but you have to be careful here. Here x is called as, let me write down only bound. X is called as bound variable. Okay. So let me write down x here. So it will be very clear. So x is called as bound variable here. But this x is called as free variable. Okay. So there is a confusion here. So in this example, it's very clear that this particular x variable is attached with this quantifier, that is existential quantifier. But here x is a free variable, but here x is a bound variable, but here x is a free variable. Why? It is because to make it x is a free bound variable, we must enclose it in a square bracket. Okay. So the final answer is here px. In the predicate px, x is a bound variable, and in the predicate qx, x is a free variable. So let us come to another example where it will be very clear. In the example 3, the same example is taken in the example 3, but only difference is that here we have used a square bracket here. Okay. Now this predicate px and qx are written in the square bracket. So now this particular variable x is attached with the existential quantifier. Now it is applicable to predicate px as well as qx because they are enclosed in a square bracket. Hence here x is a bound variable as well as this x is also a bound variable. Okay, so it is very clear what is the difference between this example 2 and 3. In this example 2 there is no square bracket, hence x is a bound variable and this x is a free variable. Why it is x is bound variable? Because it is just written near this particular existential quantifier. Okay, now this qx is written far away from this quantifier, that is why this x is a free variable and this x is a bound variable. But since we have used here in this example 3, we have used a square bracket, so this particular existential quantifier is attached to both the predicates. Hence this x is bound variables in this predicate px as well as in qx. come to another example here. Okay, so there is this bracket here. Though there is a bracket here, x is a bound variable and here y is a free variable. Okay, so though there is this parenthesis here, but in the quantifier, in the existential quantifier, only one variable x is attached. Hence here x is a bound variable and y is a free variable. Okay, so in this way you can find it out which is a free variable and which is a bound variable. Okay, so this much for today. Thank you.